Oh snap, we all knew AOC was the only politician who would stand up, tell the truth, and address the elephant in the room, pun intended, concerning these illegal Trump appointee judges who are an abomination of the Constitution. Their action, applying to Trump, begging for the job, and submitting their resume, going through all these hearings that they have to go through, and doing the work of the position is absolutely aiding an insurrectionist. They are illegal, and their opinions about our law are about as valid as Osama bin Laden's cousin's opinion about our Constitution. Who else should we call to see what amendments they want? Let's roll the clip. Best politician we have.
If we allow Supreme Court nominees to lie under oath and secure lifetime appointments to the highest court of the land, and then issue without basis, if you read these opinions, issue without basis rulings that deeply undermine the human and civil rights of the majority of Americans, we must see that through. There must be consequences for such a deeply destabilizing action and hostile takeover of our democratic institutions. To allow that to stand is to allow it to happen. And what makes it particularly dangerous is that it sends a blaring signal to all future nominees that they can now lie to duly elected members of the United States Senate in order to secure Supreme Court confirmations and seats on the Supreme Court. This
do you think
is
lying in a confirmation hearing is an impeachable offense?
I believe so.
Okay.
I believe so. I believe lying under oath is an impeachable offense. I believe that violating federal law in not disclosing income from political organizations, as Clarence Thomas did years ago, is also potentially an impeachable offense. I believe that that not recusing from cases that one clearly has family members involved in
January
with
6th.
very deep violations of conflict of interest are also
Insurrectionist.
impeachable offenses. And I believe that this is something that should be very seriously considered, including by senators like Joe Manchin and Susan Collins.
And all that she said was in addition to being a 14th Amendment violation, and they can't even hold the job, yet alone amend our goddamn Constitution. What's the next thing Trump's going to call up and cancel? Our bipartisan gun legislation? An insurrectionist cannot have veto power. Get real.